What's really cool about these plans views is that everything that we're doing here is actually not affecting the task live on its board, on its project, where the teams may be working right now. This is sort of the unofficial staged changes where we could go in, we could review all of those changes, and then we could save them. And we could also send notifications or not send them. And once I hit save changes, it goes through and actually applies those changes to all of our live projects. So we had dates added, we had dependencies added, and so on and so forth. And anything that we change, including statuses and anything else inside of this view, is not going to take effect until we go to the unsaved changes and make sure that we apply them essentially after we like what we have. So this allows you to play around with and try certain things, check certain things, see how things would roll up into certain places, how your timelines would look before impacting anything live on a Jira project and sending out hundreds of Jira notifications to your team. So really great way to sort of have a mini sandbox inside of your Jira environments to see things from multiple projects and roll them all up into this view. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.